Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to check Spotify address. So first you have to Spotify application and you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of the Spotify application here. And another thing is that you can only check your Spotify address if you have upgraded to Premium Family or if you have upgraded to this plan. As you can see, if you haven't upgraded, then you can see that option here. So I highly suggest that if you want to change or if you want to check your Spotify address, you must upgrade your plan into Premium and create an account for Premium Family. So actually, this is what it looks like. You can also ask someone to invite you to Premium Family. So this is what it looks like. You can log in with existing Spotify account or you can create a new one. After you tap this accept invite, then you can now proceed. They will ask you if you want to continue with this account, tap yes, continue, and then here you can enter the address for your plan. So all you have to do is to enter the address here and you can check this address later. And now if you can't find your address here, you can tap this find address and you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and Spotify will suggest you some addresses, but you have to select the one that is specific or shall I say your location. So that's it. Now, if you have your premium family on your Spotify, all you have to do is to click that and you will see and you can check your Spotify address. So if you want us to create another tutorial or if you want us to do another tutorial, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.